Hello friends, welcome to my channel Home Cooking. Today we are going to make a super delicious instant energy bite-sized balls out of a superfood dates and cashews which will add a crunch inside. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! All we need is 1 cup of pitted dates, 8 to 10 chopped cashews, 1 teaspoon of ghee and cashews for garnishing. Into a medium flame pan, I have added 1 teaspoon of ghee. Once the ghee gets a little hot, we will add a soft dates. These are also known as black dates, easily available in the market. Once we add the dates, with the help of a spatula, if we gently press, the dates mixture will combine together and form a ball type dough. You don't have to use grinder for this, and the ghee will also slightly leave the pan. As you can see, it's combined together, ghee has left the pan. It's correct time to off the flame and add chopped cashews inside. You can also use poppy seed instead of this. Once we mix all together, this will be the consistency of the dough. We will keep it cool for 5 minutes. Now I'll add ghee into my palms so that it gives a good shine and it won't stick to your palms as well. I have made a ball size shape. You can also make square, or you can make any shapes using a cookie cutter or by hands. I have garnished this with cashews. You can also use pistachio nuts or groundnuts for this. They both work really well. These are super healthy, super delicious and must try recipe. You can store these balls for 3 to 4 weeks outside. Super delicious. These are ready to serve. Do try it at your home and let me know into the comments, but don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye. Enjoy